right now we associate with the web utilizing unified administrations presented by any semblance of Amazon, Google, and other tech organizations. The originators behind Blockstacks contended that tech organizations like the crypto and blockchain industry shouldn't have the ability to control the web. All things being equal, it ought to recreate the first philosophy of start-to-finish association oversaw by the purchasers. The thought for Blockstacks was laid in the doctoral postulation of its prime supporter Munib Ali, who finished his Ph.D. in software engineering from Princeton College. Blockstacks has been a work in progress for quite a while, which generally began in 2013 with another prime supporter named Ryan Shi, a previous programmer. Subsequent to being established in Princeton, designers roped in some seed subsidizing to additional work on their venture. Then, a progression of friend-checked on research distributions were delivered in 2016, which got significantly really subsidizing, and Blockstack wound up raising more than $4 million somewhere in the range of 2016 and 2017. At last, a $50 million symbolic deal in 2019 ICO brought this cutting-edge crypto to people in general, permitting them to purchase and hold the Stacks STX coin. In the wake of being renamed in 2020, STX organization made a one-of-a-kind personality for itself and in this manner brought about a huge spike in its valuations. Stacks raised from 47 cents to $2.90 inside the initial not many long stretches of 2021, yet again in the wake of confronting the intensity of extensive benefit booking. STX has arrived at near the past highs. Presently, STX coin and Blockstack PBC hold an immense potential in the digital money market with a bullish pattern since they demonstrate their expectation and understand a decentralized web. What are Stacks, and how can it respond? Stacks is a Layer 1 blockchain arrangement that tends to brilliant agreement and decentralized applications improvement utilizing the BTC cryptographic money. Since Bitcoin has been broadly utilized, it is one of the most dependable crypto networks. What's more, it resolves the issues of protection and security. Stacks plans to involve it for fostering its savvy contracts biological system for a decentralized web. Stacks means to be the decentralized figuring stage for the up-and-coming age of the web. Stacks can be viewed as the application layer of the web, which is right now being worked by organizations like Google and Facebook. Stacks centers around fostering a stage where security can be saved with just the purchaser controlling their information. Presently, Stacks have a huge number of dynamic clients and have timed north of 1 million purchasers in its environment. In the crypto local area, Stacks is developing its name. Despite the fact that it has a blockchain, it relies upon the Bitcoin blockchain for security and exchange settlement. Stacks even use BTC as the hold money of its own local Stacks STX coin. Stacks adds shrewd agreement usefulness and protection to BTC without exchanging the blockchain. Stacks value investigation. Stacks token has been on the exchanging market since October 2019, and there hasn't been any stunning development up until this point. The Stacks STX cost activity has climbed exclusively in 2021 after the renaming hit another high of $2.90, which it is at present meaning to break. The ongoing cost of $2.05 is near 20x of its ICO cost of 12 cents. Stacks value took to the sky all the while with two occasions. The first was the name change, and one more was the arrival of its mainnet in January 2021. This occasion brought about a bullish pattern in the cost for STX, since stacking BTC gives the potential chance to mine the token. In the event that the stacking rewards become worthwhile for excavators, one can anticipate a rising interest for the Stacks token. Excavators need to hold something like 90,000 Stacks STX tokens to partake as a speaker on the Stacks blockchain. Doing this today will cost one around $250,000 USD, taking into account the worth of STX coin to be upwards of $2.35. Binance conveys the most elevated exchange volume of near 17% with STX USDT. Stacks STX has shown areas of strength for it to grow out of the contenders, and the Stacks cost activity appears to be undeniably like the Bitcoin cost activity over the most recent 2 years according to our specialized examination. The pattern is bound to break out of current union levels, while feeling across STX has been good since the actual send-off of Stacks 2.0. The quick opposition level creating around $1.58 is generally direct, with high any desires for denoting a breakout. In any case, the shadow on the candles graph shows areas of strength for that would require a huge Stacks STX value activity to become moving once more. The following opposition will $1.78 and the significant obstruction will be $1.58. On the month-to-month graph information, we notice the dismissal levels near $2.55 stories rehashed in both October and November 2021 candles. Subsequently, it can undoubtedly be reasoned that STX faces some difficulty at the pinnacle, which is duplicated due to a comparative cost pattern on BTC. 96 cents will be going about as quick help for any benefit setting up for the Stacks STX cryptographic money. The following help will be 77 cents and the significant help will be 49 cents. According to their STX cost forecast, it is projected that the STX cost to outperform $2.19 levels toward the finish of 2022, yet holds a more hardy position and bullish pattern by 2027 with an assumption for STX hitting $4.89. In light of STX value forecast of priceofprediction.net is advancing a lot better yield, with Stacks STX penetrating $8.64 levels toward the finish of 2026, that is, inside the following 5 years, while their momentary cost expectation for the finish of 2022 stands at $1.95. Stacks value expectations, 2022 to 2026. The Stacks cost activity on the everyday outline appears to have stamped both a breakout and an obstruction level. As of now, there is a revision period of the coin which could increment for the time being. RSI is put at 43.37. The earlier year's November was positive for Stacks cost. It broke areas of strength for the degree of $2.55. The volumes likewise stayed in a similar reach, and an expansion in volumes had prompted breakout developments. Financial backers can have a long-haul procuring potential while exchanging STX because of its ongoing bullish pattern and our digital currency projections information. Stacks value expectation 2022. Stacks has acquired some noticeable quality in 2021 and has shown its capability to carry out genuine savvy contacts on BTC's biological system and organization. There is major areas of strength for a potential by putting resources into STX. For crypto that has denoted an addition of 400% in 2021, it ought to essentially offer an impressive return in 2022. Subsequently, an objective of $1 to $2 ought to be acknowledged toward the finish of 2022. For 2022, there is a bullish STX cost expectation. Stacks value forecast 2023. Stacks areas of strength for hold to reflect enormous gets back from a drawn-out venture. According to the Stacks value figure in specialized investigation, the cost of STX crypto is anticipated to arrive at least degree of $1.71. The STX cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2.08 with a typical exchanging cost of $1.91 in 2023. Stacks value forecast 2024. STX value expectation is bullish for the drawn-out in light of enormous local area and huge reception. The most extreme cost of Stacks might reach $2.15 before the current year's over. The STX cost is supposed to hit a base degree of $1.59 in 2024 with a typical cost of $1.82 all through 2024. Subsequently, putting resources into Stacks at the ongoing value levels will be productive in the long haul. Stacks value forecast 2025. A long time from this point, during 2018, we saw BTC ascend from a 4-digit number to a 5-digit number in US dollars. The explanation was its capacity worth and consolidation of supplanting government-issued types of money. This large